Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are looking at the YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 160 with a market cap of about $172 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume for about $13.27 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price chart, the technical analysis and price predictions right here for our YFI, right? So without further ado, we are on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And one of the things we have been saying was that the moment we saw prices push below this 200 EMA, this is this blue line right here. We were saying the 200 EMA is a very, very huge resistance right there for a lot of coins, including YFI. And since then, we saw this push to the upside. We saw this huge wick, a push right there to the 200 EMA. For some of you that has watched the channel, you know you would. We call this move of about 41% right here for YFI to the upside around the June-July period. And then the moment we saw this 200 EMA reaction, and especially when we went below the 50 EMA, we were saying expect lower prices. And as you can see, currently, we are seeing prices coming to come from some sort of triple bottom, one, two, three, right? And so we are currently very bullish on YFI, and I expecting this sort of scenario to work out itself, where we could probably see some sort of impulsive push to the upside, and I'll tell you why. Right, first is that we are seeing huge bullish divergences right here on the volume profile. As you can see right here, we saw this switch of the momentum indicator, which means that the bulls were in control, and currently we have seen this switch right here, which means the bulls are in control, and we are forming higher highs, right, and higher lows. And so this is very bullish, and so we are expecting over the next few weeks some sort of impulsive push to the upside right there for YFI, right? So that's the analysis for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.